Next we'll see about the astronomical telescope when the final image is formed at LDDV, that is at least distance of distinct vision. Now again you can see in this figure, this is the objective lens of large focal length and aperture, eye lens of short focal length and aperture. Of course the object is at an infinite distance, so parallel rays of light from the object after refraction through the convex lens, since the object is at infinity, image is formed at the focus of this objective lens. Now we have to get the final image at LDDV. So where should the object be placed? The object has to be placed within the focus of the eye lens. Now this image A', B', it acts as the object for the eye lens and its position has to be adjusted such that it lies within the focus of this eye lens. Can you see, this is FE, which is the focal length of this eye lens. Within the focus I have placed the object A', B'. So when the object is placed within the focus, the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision from the eye. Of course, the eye has to be placed over here to view the image. Now a ray of light parallel to the principal axis after refraction passes through the focus of this eye lens. Another ray of light passing through optic center C2 goes without any deviation. When these two rays are extended, it appears to come from A'. I have also shown the refraction of two rays which is coming over here. It gets refracted and when extended it appears to come from A'. A', B' is the virtual, erect and enlarged image of AB. Now let us calculate what is the magnifying power. Now can you define what is beta and alpha over here? Beta is the angle subtended by the final image at the eye when it is at least distance of distinct vision. What is alpha? Alpha is the angle subtended by the object at the eye when it is at infinity. So the ratio of these two is beta by alpha. Now tan beta by tan alpha, since beta and alpha are small. From this figure find out what is tan beta. Tan beta is A', B' by C2, B'. What is tan alpha? A', B' by C1, B'. Now substitute for this, we get M equal to M is equal to A', B' by C2, B'. What is C2, B'? It is the object distance because the object is placed within the focus. So this is not the focal length. This is the object distance for this eye lens. So since it is to the left, I mark it as minus UE because it is the eye lens into C1 B' by A' B'. What is C1 B'? C1 B'. What is this distance? Where is the object? It is at infinity. Where is the image formed? At the focus. So for C1 B' must be the focal length of this objective lens. So I write it as FO. So FO by minus UE will give you the magnifying power. FO by minus UE. Now let us use the lens formula for this eye lens. What is it? 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Or F can be taken as FE, U can be taken as UE and V is taken as D, because where is the image formed? It is formed at least distance of distinct vision. Now let us substitute it over here and we get the expression as 1 by FE equal to 1 by V. Where is V? D. Where is D? It is to the left side. So I write it as minus D. Apply the sign convention. Minus 1 by minus UE. UE is to the left. So minus of 1 by minus UE. So I mark it over here. We get it as plus 1 by UE. Now we need an expression for 1 by UE. So 1 by UE is 1 by FE plus 1 by D. Now in this equation 1 by UE is equal to, let me take this 1 by FE outside. So I get it as 1 plus D by FE. 1 plus 1 by FE plus 1 by UE is 1 by FE plus 1 by D. I take 1 by FE outside, so I get 1 plus FE by D. So for this, in this equation, M equal to F4 by minus UE. For 1 by UE, I substitute this. And we write the final answer as M is equal to F4 by minus FE into 1 plus FE by D. This is the final equation for the magnifying power of the astronomical telescope when the final image is formed at LDDB. From this expression, once again you can see that if you decrease the focal length of the objective or if you increase the focal length of the objective and by decreasing the focal length of the eyepiece, the magnifying power can be increased. And of course the magnifying power is maximum when the image is formed at LDDB, and M is equal to F4 by minus FE. This is the magnifying power when the final image is formed at infinity, and the magnifying power is minimum over here. Now we are making the objective lens aperture to be very large because the object is at infinite distance and more amount of light has to pass through the objective lens. So that is why the aperture is made very large. And since we are using two lenses over here, the spherical aberration can be reduced to some extent. Also, the resolving power, which we will see it later, resolving power is the ability of the optical instrument to see the images of two close by objects very clearly, that we will be studying in detail in the next chapter. You can also increase the resolving power by using the objective lens of large focal length. Also from this figure, you can see that the length of the tube is the distance between the objective lens and the eye lens. So the distance L will be equal to, where is the image formed? The object is at infinity, so the image is formed at the focus, that is FO, plus where is the object placed? It is placed within the focus, so it must be the object distance. So this will be the length FO plus UE when the final image is formed at LDDB. When the image is formed at infinity, the length of the tube will be FO plus FE. Similarly, in the case of a microscope, whether it is LDDB or infinity, in the case of a microscope, the length of the tube, this is for a microscope, the length of the tube is always image distance plus the object distance. This is the image distance of the first lens. This is the object distance for the second lens. So it is VO plus UE. See, this is the image distance of the first lens. This is the object distance for the second lens. This is the image distance for the first lens, and this is the object distance for the second lens. So the image distance of the first lens plus the object distance of the second lens will give you the length of the tube, whether it is microscope or whether it is the telescope.